Eyes, eyes. My eyes are brown. My eyes are brown. I use my eyes to see. I use my eyes to see. Ear, ear. My ears help me hear sounds. My ears help me hear sounds. I have 2 ears. I have 2 ears. Nose, nose. My nose helps me smell flowers. My nose helps me smell flowers. He has a big nose. He has a big nose. Mouth, mouth. I open my mouth to talk. I open my mouth to talk. Brush your teeth and rinse your mouth. Brush your teeth and rinse your mouth. Tongue, tongue. My tongue is pink. My tongue is pink. Stick out your tongue. Stick out your tongue. Teeth, teeth. My teeth are white. My teeth are white. I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning. Hands, hands. I wash my hands with soap. I wash my hands with soap. Clap your hands together. Clap your hands together. Finger, finger. I count with my fingers. I count with my fingers. My fingers are cold. My fingers are cold. Legs, legs. My legs help me walk. My legs help me walk. Stretch your legs before running. Stretch your legs before running. Feet, feet. I wear shoes on my feet. I wear shoes on my feet. My feet are tired. My feet are tired. Arm, arm. I lift my arms up high. I lift my arms up high. He crossed his arms. He crossed his arms. Hair, hair. My hair is black. My hair is black. Comb your hair neatly. Comb your hair neatly. Neck, neck. My neck holds up my head. My neck holds up my head. She wore a scarf around her neck. She wore a scarf around her neck. Shoulder, shoulder. He shrugged his shoulders. He shrugged his shoulders. Carry the bag on your shoulders. Carry the bag on your shoulders. Knees, knees. I bend my knees when I sit. I bend my knees when I sit. She hurt her knees playing. She hurt her knees playing. Toes, toes. I wiggle my toes. I wiggle my toes. My toes are inside my socks. My toes are inside my socks. Back, back. My back hurts. My back hurts. He turned his back to the door. He turned his back to the door. Chest, chest. My chest rises when I breathe. My chest rises when I breathe. He put his hand on his chest. He put his hand on his chest. Stomach, stomach. My stomach is empty. My stomach is empty. I have a pain in my stomach. I have a pain in my stomach. Head, head. I nod my head to say yes. I nod my head to say yes. She has a hat on her head. She has a hat on her head. Eyebrow, eyebrow. I raised my eyebrow in surprise. I raised my eyebrow in surprise. Her eyebrow is neatly shaped. Her eyebrow is neatly shaped. Eyelash, eyelash. An eyelash fell on my cheek. An eyelash fell on my cheek. She has long eyelashes. She has long eyelashes. Forehead, forehead. He wiped sweat from his forehead. He wiped sweat from his forehead. Her forehead is smooth. Her forehead is smooth. Lips, lips. I put lip balm on my lips. I put lip balm on my lips. She bit her lip nervously. She bit her lip nervously. Chin, chin. He rested his chin on his hand. He rested his chin on his hand. My chin feels cold. My chin feels cold. Cheek, cheek. She kissed me on the cheek. She kissed me on the cheek. His cheeks are red. His cheeks are red. Elbow, elbow. I leaned on my elbow. I leaned on my elbow. He hit his elbow on the wall. He hit his elbow on the wall. Wrist, wrist. I wear a watch on my wrist. I wear a watch on my wrist. She hurt her wrist while playing. She hurt her wrist while playing. Thumb, thumb. I gave a thumbs up sign. I gave a thumbs up sign. My thumb is bigger than my finger. My thumb is bigger than my finger. Waist, waist. She tied a belt around her waist. She tied a belt around her waist. My shirt fits tightly at the waist. My shirt fits tightly at the waist. ankle, ankle. I twisted my ankle while running. I twisted my ankle while running. He has a bandage on his ankle. He has a bandage on his ankle. Gum, gum. My gum hurts when I brush. My gum hurts when I brush. Healthy gum keeps your teeth strong. Healthy gum keeps your teeth strong. Earlobe, earlobe. She wears earrings on her earlobes. She wears earrings on her earlobes. His earlobe is small. His earlobe is small. Bone, bone. Bones make our bodies strong. Bones make our bodies strong. I broke a bone in my arm. I broke a bone in my arm. Blood, blood. Blood flows through our veins. Blood flows through our veins. He donated blood to the hospital. He donated blood to the hospital. Intestine, intestine. Food is digested in the intestines. Food is digested in the intestines. The intestine helps absorb nutrients. The intestine helps absorb nutrients. Kidney, kidney. The kidneys clean our blood. The kidneys clean our blood. She has healthy kidneys. She has healthy kidneys. Lungs, lungs. Our lungs help us breathe. Our lungs help us breathe. Smoke is bad for the lungs. Smoke is bad for the lungs. Heart, heart. My heart beats fast when I run. My heart beats fast when I run. God gave me a kind heart. God gave me a kind heart. Brain, brain. I use my brain to think. I use my brain to think. The brain controls the whole body. The brain controls the whole body. Soul, soul. The sole of my foot is dirty. The sole of my foot is dirty. The sole of my foot tickles. The sole of my foot tickles. Ribs, ribs. The ribs protect our heart and lungs. The ribs protect our heart and lungs. I felt pain near my ribs. I felt pain near my ribs. Skull, skull. The skull protects the brain. The skull protects the brain. His skull is strong and hard. His skull is strong and hard. Jaw, jaw. I move my jaw when I chew. I move my jaw when I chew. He has a sharp jawline. He has a sharp jawline. Scalp, scalp. My scalp feels itchy. My scalp feels itchy. Massage your scalp with oil. Massage your scalp with oil. Palm. Palm. I wrote my name on my palm. I wrote my name on my palm. My palm is sweaty. My palm is sweaty. Forearm. Forearm. He has a tattoo on his forearm. He has a tattoo on his forearm. My forearm feels sore after lifting. My forearm feels sore after lifting. Thigh. Thigh. My thigh muscles are strong. My thigh muscles are strong. She rubbed her thigh after running. She rubbed her thigh after running. Spine. Spine. The spine supports the body. The spine supports the body. Sit straight to protect your spine. Sit straight to protect your spine. Skin. Skin. My skin is soft. My skin is soft. Drink water to keep your skin healthy. Drink water to keep your skin healthy. Nail. Nail. I cut my nails every week. I cut my nails every week. Her nails are long and clean. Her nails are long and clean. Heel. Heel. The heel is at the back of the foot. The heel is at the back of the foot. My heel hurts when I walk too long. My heel hurts when I walk too long.